Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can add custom CSS to our WordPress website. So as you can see here, this is the website here, okay, e-commerce website. As you can see here, that button background color is white and the text is red on the mouse over, and as you can see here, the border and the text is like this. Suppose if you want to change this background color of your button, okay, without mouse over, so how can I do this? How can I change it by custom CSS? So it's really very simple. So what we need to do, we need to just right click on this website, like inspect element, open this, okay, and now we need to click on the arrow icon and just select the any element that you want to change. Suppose you want to change this element, okay, so just select this button like this. Again, just do this and select this. Now we need to click on the plus icon over here. As you can see, this one right side, just click on this. Now you have the CSS of this button. Now we need to just use the any color. So like background is, I'm gonna use here black like this, okay. Now as you can see, let's go here like this will work like this, okay. Now what I will do, just need to, this will not work, okay, but what we need to add this code in the customize option. So go to the dashboard, and as you can see here, the appearance, and you find the customize option. Just open this, and we need to add the additional CSS here. So wait some seconds. See, this is the addition. Just paste this code here like this. Done. Now let's try some other thing. Is like, suppose if you want to change the border of this product, okay, so how can I do this? So let's try this and just select this. Now click on the plus icon like this. Now change the border. So border 2px solid, okay, and color it is red or white or black, something black like this. And I'm going to change this black to the 333, so it look more attractive like this. Done. So this is done. Now I'm going to add the padding here. Padding is 5px, or let's try 10px, okay, like this. So this is the code, and now just copy that code and now just paste this code here. Done. Let's click on the publish, and let's see this one is working, this code is working fine or not in incognito. Let's open this website, and as you can see, this one working, or this button. Let's see the background like this. So this is the really very amazing and very easy way to customize your website according to your requirement, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.